everyone, we are
Unboxing China.
I'm Xin.
I'm Nancy. So in the previous episode, we took a journey to Xinjiang, a land full of natural wonders.
And Xinjiang is so much more than that. Skimming through the Xinjiang tag on social media, we could find that the rich culture and history are also an invaluable asset of this pole along the ancient Silk Road.
Actually, speaking about culture, off the top of my head, I think about Xinjiang-style dancing. You know, I've been to Urumqi once, and the vibrant street scene of people singing and dancing every single night was imprinted on my mind.
Well, in that case, today let's revive your memory with influencer and dancer Gu Limina, who talks about Xinjiang's culture through her dancing.
新疆素有歌舞之乡的这美誉，不管是哪一民族在新疆啊，歌舞乐是离不开我们的生活的。喜庆的节假日、婚礼，然后聚会，肯定是有音乐、有歌、有舞蹈的，而且男女老少都会参与。在那边的小孩从小就音乐一起，那个手就开始动了，或者是就开始脚就开始踏上那个节奏，所以大家可能都会说，哎呀，新疆人真的是都会跳舞，他就是对生活的热爱。一说新疆的这种民间舞蹈，大家第一个想象到的就是动脖子动作，我们在专业术语里叫移颈。是你看你的这个腮部，对，这个就是往两边横向的移动。
I feel like I could join the nighttime dancing parties on Xinjiang streets.
Oh, not just in Xinjiang. These festive and catchy dance moves are loved by people all over China.
这14年以来，新疆的舞蹈它的传承、发扬，包括推广各方面，真的是越来越好。尤其是近几年，因为短视频的这个活跃，我是什么时候感受到，就是大家对新疆的这种民族舞蹈的热爱呢？是我在疫情期间开播了这个公益舞蹈课堂在抖音上，当时我每天就直播1个小时，上了12天吧，有100多万人参加。
哇！
然后每天呢，我就会布置作业，我就要求他们一定要拍一个抖音跟我互动。那个学生的回课真的是多的哦，所以我就能看到男女老少不同民族，甚至华人华侨的对新疆舞蹈的热爱，而且我发现很多学生都是穿的舞台服装，头发收拾的漂漂亮亮，所以我觉得那段时间学生也是非常激励着我。
Thanks to influencers like Gu Limina and platforms like Douyin, the once mysterious and exotic land of Xinjiang is becoming relevant and accessible to people all across China.
And very interestingly, we have some public officials joining this trend. They've broken the stereotype of officials being formal and serious, instead increasing their presence on short video platforms and becoming KOLs themselves.
We have Zhena Guli, the Director of Culture and Tourist Bureau of Xinjiang's Shaya County, who has over 1 million followers across all China's social media platforms. She really plays around with long and short videos and has created some hit content by just being herself and showcasing an authentic and charming Xinjiang.
短视频和直播不仅能宣传旅游，能带货，还有一个很重要的作用是能跟广大网友建立一种沟通交流的渠道。相信这么多网友愿意来跟我沟通交流，一定是因为大家觉得我是一个接地气的、真实的活生生的文旅局长。
It's safe to say that we're closer than ever to that vast land, thanks to these Xinjiang-based influencers.
And for them, the challenge now is how to better fit Xinjiang's cultural richness and uniqueness into the short video age, which prefers straightforward and catchy content.
Seems that our two ladies both have found their ways, and we're seeing more people, especially young people from Xinjiang, joining this trend.
Exactly. I've seen vloggers recording daily routine and festive traditions in southern Xinjiang, and young musicians playing Speak Softly Love and He's a Parrot using Xinjiang instruments.
What a vibrant cultural scene we are seeing.
And we always hope there will be more to come. So that's all for today's Unboxing China.
Hopefully we've all got a bit more familiar with Xinjiang.
Right, next time I visit, I will surely join the street dancing in Xinjiang. So please look forward to our next episode. Bye bye!
Yaxşımısınızlar dostlar? Əminlərim bizning güzel Xinjiang kelishinglarni chin ko'nglimdan umid qilaman. Xinjiang sizlarni qarshi oldi.